Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Promotion of Science Education POSE Scholarship Scheme. First of all, talking about the program. Haryana State Council for Science and Technology invites application for Promotion of Science Education POSE Scholarship Scheme from students pursuing graduation or post-graduation courses in basic and natural science subject. The key objective of this scholarship is to encourage meritorious students towards science education and to support them for the continuation of their science education up to higher level. The selected students will get one-time mentorship grant of up to 22,000 and a monthly stipend up to 6,000. Now talking about the eligibility criteria for promotion of science education POSE scholarship. To be eligible, an applicant must have taken admission in any of the following courses during the year 2020. 3-year BSc or 4-year BS or 5-year integrated MSc or MS program in basic and natural sciences at IIT, IISc, IISER, NISER or DAE CBS or in any college or university in India, and 2-year MSc program in basic and natural science. Next, have passed class 10th and 12th board examination from a school situated in Haryana with minimum 85% marks for Haryana board school and 90% marks for other board like CBSE, ICSE, etc. in class 12th for an undergraduate degree or integrated degree in science. Have passed class 10th and 12th and BSc or BA for MSc Mathematics from a school or college or university situated in Haryana with minimum 75% marks in BSc or BA for MSc degree course. Benefit of that scholarship: the selected students will get scholarship monthly. For BSc students, 4,000 per month. For BS students, 4,000 for first, second and third year and 6,000 per month for fourth year. For integrated MSc or MS students, 4,000 per month for first, second and third year and 6,000 per month for fourth and fifth year. For MSc students, 6,000. Next, mentorship grant one time. For BSc, rupees 12,000. For BS, rupees 17,000. For integrated MSc, rupees 22,000. And for MSc, 10,000. Documents required while filling up that form: the candidates are required to upload self-attested copies of all the certificates from class 10th onwards with the application, namely signature of the applicant, self-attested copy of Aadhaar card, photograph of the applicant, certificate of class 10th, certificate of class 12th, certificate of BSc or BA applicable for students applying for 2-year MSc, enrollment certificate from head or principal or director or registrar of the college or university or institute. Rural area school certificate of class 11th and 12th if claiming for 3% additional weightage given in annexures, if claiming for 3% additional weightage. And at last, declaration of POSE scholarship. How can you apply? Go to the official website, click on apply for services and view all available services. Search for POSE in the search tab. The scholarship will appear on the list. Click on the scholarship to complete the application. Fill in all required details and finally submit the form. Important date: application deadline is 31 December. Selection criteria for that scholarship: the number of scholarship for BSc or integrated MSc course 150 and for MSc course 50. Girl students will be preferred. Students with better language score, Hindi or English, in class 12th will be given preference. Younger students will be given preference. Merit list will be prepared based on average percentage score obtained in the class 12th English or Hindi, better of the two, and best of 3 out of physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. Students studying in IIT, IISER, NISER or DAE CBS and IISc will be given preference. Students pursuing class 11th and 12th in a rural area school will be given an additional 3% weightage. For MSc students, merit will be made by taking the average of marks obtained in 3 years. Terms and conditions for that scholarship: students must be pursuing studies in one of the 18 identified science subject: physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, statistics, geology, astrophysics, astronomy, electronics, botany, zoology, biochemistry, anthropology, microbiology, geophysics, geochemistry, atmospheric sciences, and oceanic sciences. Students must have completed the education in the institutes situated in Haryana. All the documents are to be attested and verified by the relevant authorities. Students must not be availing any other scholarship or grant during the course of the scholarship. Only online mode of application is accepted. The students studying privately through distance mode or correspondence are not eligible for the scholarship. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. I hope to see you in another video.